In this tutorial, I'm going to show you can remove background noise. As you can hear in this video I'll play right now. I record the video using my inbuilt microphone from this laptop. There's a lot of background noise. I'm going to show you can remove background noise. Okay, I'm testing right now, recording with my microphone, inbuilt microphone from my laptop. If you hear carefully, I mean, you don't really have to hear carefully because it's kind of obvious. It's pretty clear that you can hear noises in the background. So I'm going to show you I can clear this noise using CapCut PC, this awesome software. Alright, as you can hear, we have a lot of background noises. So it's pretty clear we have background noise. So if you want to remove background noise in CapCut PC, what you have to do is to go to audio here. We have audio, and there where you see audio, we also have here noise reduction. And all you have to do is just to check this box, and this will reduce noise reduction. And now, if you play this video now, okay, I'm testing right now, recording with my microphone, inbuilt microphone from my laptop. If you hear carefully, I mean, you don't really have to hear carefully because it's now we don't have background noise. It's pretty clear that you can hear noises in the background. So I'm going to show you I can clear this noise using CapCut PC, this awesome software, editing software. So I really hope guys you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.